We are not afraid.
Looking around the crowd and seeing so many people that you know that they have multiple health conditions, and I was scared for them. They weren't social distancing. They didn't have any protective gear on.
Jasmine Body, a registered nurse who stood with other healthcare professionals
Open Arizona!
as protesters chanted and held signs calling for an end to stay-at-home orders.
A lot of them thought that we were actually fake or we were paid actors.
Jasmine says the idea was to be seen and be silent. Some protesters, she says, got in her face.
They said a lot of things that I think bring in political undertones, like calling us baby killers.
There was an officer that was assigned to stand behind us and just sort of safeguard us.
Registered nurse Lauren Leander came to the rally on her day off. She says now is not the time to lift restrictions as the COVID-19 pandemic plays out.
Science will tell us when the time is right, and we're, still kind of just in the thick of this lockdown, but if anything, I just hope that it gives people inspiration to know that we will get through this.
I haven't seen my family in their home for over a month, and probably a month and a half now.
Jasmine says she's taking precautions to keep healthy and was sure to wear protective gear yesterday while social distancing. She calls the rally eye-opening, but says she's prepared to take care of anyone who gets sick.
If they were to come in the hospital, we're still going to treat them just as any other person who walks in, but gosh, it's awful to know that this is the way they feel and this is the way they think.
As for those claims that the women we spoke to are paid actors, I did look up their nursing licenses, which are active here in Arizona and in good standing. In the meantime, Governor Ducey has not provided a timeline for when he intends to open up the state. Reporting live outside the Capitol, Carissa Planelt for Arizona's Family.